Hey guys, this is Louis the IT guy, and this is the first video for my YouTube channel. As you can notice, I don't have a great mic yet, but it's on the way. I will be sharing IT tips and tricks for beginner to advanced interested ones. So as time goes on, you will see that I will be adding playlists. I will create different topics. For example, it will range from Windows to Linux, networking to cloud services, scripting, bash, etc. Please bear with me as I get used to making videos with great content for you guys. And let's get started for our theme for today. On this first video, I want to show you how to get your PC's host name. The host name is like the name of your PC. Each PC, each laptop, each server has a host name. That is like the name of the PC, as I said before. So let's say you're home or at work and you need help from a service desk person or a friend that is trying to fix your PC, and they ask you for your host name. Well, let's see two ways you can find the host name. First, you can go to your File Explorer, and on this PC, you can click on it, right? And then you do a right click and you will go to Properties. Once you click on Properties, here you can see the computer name, which is the same thing as host name. Here you can see that the computer name is Windows-VM-01. But there's an easier and faster way that you can also get your host name. You just go to your Start menu and you type CMD. Right? And you're going to get the command prompt. Later on in another video, I'm going to try to explain to you what is the command prompt and what you can do with the command prompt. For now, let's just go inside the command prompt. We open the command prompt, and here you're going to see that you can write here. So let's use this command. Host name. Just like that. You write host name and you press enter, and you will get the name Windows-VM-01. With the host name, for example, if you are at your work, at your company environment, the service desk person or the tech person, they can deploy software to your computers. So that's why sometimes they're going to ask you for your host name, so they can work on the correct computer and not mess up somebody else's computer while they're working. Well, I hope you enjoyed my first video. Let's review real fast what we did before leaving, okay? The first method of getting the PC name, you go to the File Explorer, right click on this PC, Properties, and then you're going to see the computer name right here. The other method is you go to your Start menu, you write CMD, and you write host name. And you're going to get the Windows VM-01 hostname. Also, you go to the Start menu and you just click here on Command Prompt. After you use it for a while, you're going to see that it's going to have like this most used programs here, so you can find it there if you want to. So thank you so much for coming in and watching this video. I hope you really liked it. And if you did, please press the subscribe button. See you in the next video.